So welcome back to another video. So today's video, apparently, or there was, shall I say, there was a fire on Havelock Street early hours this morning. 8 fire engine crew, the drone unit and all sorts went to investigate and see what it was all about. Apparently it's a suspected cannabis farm, so someone was growing cannabis in Havelock Street in Blackpool. So we're going to have a look at that, see if we can see anything near the building and what's going on, see if we can speak to anybody if they did find anything or hear anything. So yeah, let's get right into the video. So we're just walking a walkabout on the way to Havelock Street, so I might as well have a little walk around town on the way there and see what's going on. So first of all, I can see this skip, so something's going on. Skip for BES contracts use only, so I wonder if someone's getting some work done on a property or something. So yeah, so they have to excuse the umbrella. It is raining. It is Thursday. It's about sort of 3:30, 4 o'clock. So it's quite bad, the weather. So yeah, like I said, we're just gonna have a bit of a walk in town and see what's going on with this property, what has been burnt down. As you can see, it's really quiet in town at the moment. I think the weather is against everybody, to be honest. But yeah, it's the old Grand Theatre there in all its glory. See, somebody's actually doing a bit of filming and taking some pictures of that property, so looks like he's quite interested in it. As you can see, that guy there. So yeah, it's a bit of a miserable day today on this Thursday. I better mind out. I think they haven't had any breaks. Looks like even the pigeons are taking shelter. So looks like they're getting a bit of work done. Like that one there. Look at that, some sort of netting going over there. So it's a large little crane device thing there. Just a bit of a walk on the old cobbles going down near Hounds Hill. So we're just approaching Havelock Street now, and it's where the Harlequin's Cafe used to be. If you remember that one. The Harlequin's Cafe. So this is Havelock Street, and as you can see straight away, is it that one? Looks like it could be that building there. There you go. So it looks like it was this building about 1:45 in the morning. Set ablaze, and you can see the roof is actually gone. See if I can zoom in a little bit. But yeah, the roof is was completely gone, and it was a suspected cannabis farm. So who'd have thought that? So that's Havelock Street straight up. So I just zoomed in a little bit for you, and I don't know if you can see the roof is completely gone. Look at that. So I imagine back in its days this would have been a fantastic guest house, and it had been absolutely heaving back in its day. So it's such a shame. So we're just outside the place what got burnt down. So we've got a local resident. So just in your own words, what happened? You live next door.
Well, what if we want? Loads of fire engines come and they're meant to be a boat in there.
Really?
Yeah.
And what time was it? It said 1:45 on the news. Is that an accurate time?
About that time, yeah.
And they said there's like 8 fire engines.
Fire engines and 10 police cars sometimes, so this way was all blocked up.
Jeez.
So
Sounds like a bit of a bad one.
it took about 3 hours for the fire to get out.
Really?
Easy.
So I can see like above, you can see like there's the whole roof is gone. So did you smell anything?
Only when I came out.
Really? Because they said it might be a suspected cannabis farm. Is that right?
Yeah.
Jeez. Well, thank you for stopping and take care, and yeah, see you soon. So this is actually what's come out of the house. Look at that, and that's part of the grow. We're just going to carry on a little bit up Havelock Street, and I just noticed all of this. I'll just have a look at this. It looks like another one. Look at that. This is where we discovered the rats. You see, nothing has been done. In fact, I'd actually say more rubbish is actually being dumped around here. Just look at the state of this, just off Havelock Street. Look at that. So I suggest do not come down here. It's certainly unsafe, and it's full of vermin. Yeah. So this is the back alley to the property what got burned down. So yeah. See all the bins down there, so we can see if we can see anything from the back. So the local is just taking us down, and you can actually smell it in the air. So there's the back of the property. See if we can find it. These are big old buildings. The back. Look at that. So there you go, look at that one. Look at that. You see, it's completely gone. So this is the rear of the property. Look at that. the video. Like I say, it was just a bit of a walk around just to have a look at that fire on Havelock Street. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and like I said, it's only a short video. So until next time, take care, and I'll see you soon.